Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. Well, we've got a thundery nor'wester for the north of the country and a colder southerly moving into the south. Let's explain it. Here's the animated wind map, and today the different layer we've switched on is rain accumulation or precipitation accumulation. In other words, where's the highest risk for rain across the next sort of 12 hours? And you can see southern parts of the country, there's a bit of rain, snow and shower activity there, but really it's the nor'westers to the north where you can see the white and the blue. That shading indicates a higher risk of moisture or a higher chance of rain and showers. So that is coming down around the north of the country, while eastern areas, they are mostly dry. And in fact, even the west coast looks mostly dry. So this is how it looks at 10 o'clock Wednesday. This is quite an interesting infographic because there is quite a lot going on. So this is the whole middle part is low pressure. You can see it is fairly clear. The grey indicates clearer skies, whereas the whiter, or sorry, I should say really the whiter areas indicate the cloud and the darker areas indicate the clearer skies, which are down around this eastern side and around Wellington. But to the north, heavy rain, and the red means thunderstorms. Now, for those who love thunderstorms, or at least track them, you'll often see them out in this area. It's a really good breeding ground for them, and they do change shape as they move into land. So there are a lot of thunderstorms at sea. They'll probably break up as they move in. Highest risk will be Waikato, Auckland, and Northland. And then down to the south, where you've got a colder airflow, it's coming around like this as a south to southeasterly wind, and that will be seeing a bit of snow along the mountains around there, and colder rain showers further down around Southland. So that's Wednesday night. This is Thursday lunchtime, and you can see this blue line that indicates a cooler change sweeping northwards. So the warm nor'wester that is out here around Gisborne and East Cape, warm because I know it's not overly warm, but it's warmer than it should be. And then the colder southerly is coming in behind it across the country. That might bring in a few snow flurries to the desert road as well. Just be aware of that Thursday night. And then again on Friday morning, there's still southerlies blowing on Friday, and that might see a few snow flurries along the ranges because it's a fairly cool southerly. But it's fairly dry as well. Not a lot of rain around, just a few showers. The wettest weather will be around central New Zealand, moving up that east coast. And then around the western side, mainly dry. In fact, the west coast of the South Island's got a drier than average 7 days ahead. So that's a little unusual for this time of the year, but a few showers still linger up around Northland and maybe even Auckland first thing. Let's get into the weekend. High pressure is building in the Tasman. That's all you need to know. Maybe a few showers lingering along the western side. We've got the sou'westers blowing for most areas, and it'll be southerly in Wellington. And then we get to Sunday, and high pressure really pushing in. Light winds, colder nights, cooler mornings, fairly pleasant afternoons, and the only showers that I can see here look like they're around South Westland, Fiordland, and maybe brushing Stewart Island and coastal parts of Southland, maybe. Now to next week, and I've gone extra wide screen because I really wanted to show you a bit of a change. It's to do with these highs down here. They've shifted and dropped further south. For the last couple of months, they've been all tracking to the north, encouraging those westerlies in that early start to spring. Now they're dropping further south. Now that could see a bit more variety in the weather. We could be seeing warmer northerlies like this behind this system, but the flip side is before they come in, they've got southerly flows because the airflow is anticyclonic. So southerlies coming in, but look, all three of these highs, none of them pose a major southerly blast at this stage. So at this stage, I think we're going to have a bit more dry, calmer spells in the forecast, perhaps a little bit less of the strong westerlies, which seem to have pushed a little bit further south for now, but welcome to the chaos that is spring. I mean, even if though we are technically still in winter, the spring weather is here in September anyway, regardless. And so that is going to roar in with the strong westerlies and the warmer weather, we hope, anyway. That is all from me for today. We'll update you again tomorrow.